welcome to Skirt Garage. My name is Connor. I'm happy to have you here on the channel. I've got a little bit of a grudge match drag race for you today. It's gonna be in the white corner, a 2015 Jaguar F-Type R. It weighs roughly 3,700 pounds. It is the 2015, so it's a rear-wheel drive car, 550 horsepower and 502 foot-pounds of twist. It is a ZF 8-speed transmission, a very, very fast car. In the matte gray corner, we have a 2020 AMG GT 63 four-door S 4MATIC. Did I get everything? I don't know if I did. Very fast car. It's kind of a porker, weighs 4,500 pounds, yet it makes 640 horsepower and 664 foot-pounds of torque. So very, very, very fast car. It has extremely fast shifting 9-speed transmission. And yeah, you know, the base price on that car, if you get the full Mac Daddy Edition 1, is pretty close to 200 grand. So it's very expensive, a few times more than what my car is worth. So we're gonna see if it's any faster. Now it is worth mentioning, this is a grudge match. So as such, I went to complete extremes. I went ahead, I removed my spacers, got to get rid of any unsprung weight I can. I took off my engine cover. I even went as far as removing my rear parcel shelf. Probably the most desperate thing I did was remove the energy drinks out of the hidden compartment in the trunk. So I even went as far as doing that. So I tried desperately to remove all the weight I could before this race. Without further ado, let's see these races. Let's see what happens. So what happened, his car is faster. You know, it makes 90 horsepower more and over 160 foot-pounds of torque more. It is quite a bit heavier, you know, 800 pounds heavier. So I think it was pretty close. You could definitely tell that when we would shift, I think his car was a lot quicker on the shifts. I have a race, I believe it's the second one. In that footage, we held each other pretty good, almost the whole way through. And I think it's because we started that one at 50 miles an hour and I only had to shift once. And so I think it was a lot closer. And all the other videos, it was second gear, 40 miles an hour, and I had to shift twice and his car just walked away. Yeah, it was a really fun race. You know, my car lost, but that's what happens when you face a car that's a lot faster. Anyways, I hope you guys have liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up and a like. I appreciate all you guys commenting and subscribing. It really means a lot to me, so thank you. Have a good one, be safe, and then grow a quarantine mustache like myself. Be safe.